Now we're going to log into our team server account and pick a model that we wish to export to WhereScape. So we're going to go into settings and choose WhereScape. Then we're going to select the models that we want to download. And so we're going to export just the logical model for human resources right now. And we're going to click export. And then a file is created that contains one model, because that's all we selected. We can go and look at our downloads, and there it is. There's the file, so we can copy it across to our WhereScape 3D server. All right, now that we have the file that was exported from Team Server, we can come into WhereScape 3D, and we can take that and import it into a logical model for HR. And so I can add a version, number 2.0, and create a new version. Then I can import from external format, and we can pull up the file. There it is. We'll import it. It says it needs to be upgraded. And now we can look at it, and there it is. It's all set. We can see the comments were pulled across from Team Server, and all of these extended properties were pulled across as well. You can use them either in documentation or in model conversion rules to add to your data warehouse. So we can take this source and turn it into a full-blown Star Schema using WhereScape 3D. If you are interested in more information, please go to wherescape.com/request a demo.